Hi, I am Satish Kannan, co-founder and CEO of MediBuddy. So technology is actually transforming every walk of our life. Like we all know how technology is transforming healthcare, education, banking. So in a way, what is happening is all of our solutions and our everyday activities are hugely impacted as well as improved by adoption of technology in all of these areas. We know that access to healthcare is a very big challenge in a country like India. For a country of like a billion plus people, we have less than 200,000 specialist doctors. The second challenge is that 97 percentage plus of the healthcare facilities are concentrated in the top cities. So both of these problems, one is shortage of high quality specialist doctors and concentration of all of these infrastructure in the big cities, creates a huge challenge when it comes to accessibility of good quality healthcare. And again, in this scenario, digital technologies and digital platforms will definitely transform, and this is what we call as leapfrogging. How initially India had a lot of issues in developing infrastructure, but digital solutions and digital infrastructure is increasing accessibility. It can be in payments, it can be in education, it can be in travel, it can be in e-commerce, and similarly strong technologies are bringing healthcare accessibility to a lot of people across India. I and my co-founder Inba, both of us were actually graduates from IIT Madras. We did bachelor's and master's in electrical engineering from IIT, and we had a lot of interest in healthcare and wanted to work in the intersection of healthcare and technology. So I worked at Philips Healthcare in the cardiology division, and my co-founder Inba worked at a diabetes company in what we call as diabetic retinopathy. So all of this gave us a lot of understanding about doctors, hospitals, patients, operation theaters, and healthcare challenges in India. And then I left the cardiology team, he left the diabetes team, and then together we started out the company. And the idea was to see how we could use digital platforms. And like we all know, smartphones are growing very fast. Cost of internet is actually coming down, and we have a very young population. That means they're adopting to new services very fast. So that is why we thought we should bring a digital platform helping patients across the country access all services on a single platform. And we started with two people. I think I and Inba started the company, and today we are more than 1400 people. We have offices in around 21 cities today. So we are headquartered in Bangalore. We have around 900 people based in Bangalore, and the rest of the 500 team members are in multiple of these cities. So on a service level, you can actually talk to a doctor on a video call. You can actually book an appointment, go to the hospital and get the right advice by a physical consultation. We run close to 300 plus clinics. So that means you can go to these clinics. We also run around 90 ambulances at these clinics. You can get your medicines delivered at your house. You can also get your lab test. It can be a blood test done at your house, or if you want to do an x-ray, you can actually book through the platform and get it done. And all the way till if you want to get admitted in a hospital for getting a surgery or a procedure, you can come to MediBuddy and we'll help you across the service. So that's exactly the idea with which we started, and continuing to make sure that high quality healthcare is accessible to people across the country. Like I was saying, that what are the challenges that was there in the system? So first is actually awareness creation, right? So they're very important for people to understand that you can actually access a doctor through the video call. You can actually ensure that you're getting the right quality healthcare as well as the right information when you want to take a decision about your healthcare and healthcare journey. And we had to create a lot more awareness about such solutions, and then of course talk about how we are able to deliver them across the country. For us, when we started, when I was doing a lot of customer survey and customer research, we understood that access to healthcare in a lot of parts of India, and we call them the middle belt of India, right from, if you think about Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, UP, Chhattisgarh, the healthcare infrastructure was not very well developed. So we had a lot of customers from these, because otherwise they would have to travel to Delhi or Bangalore or Bombay or Kolkata. But now when we started, we actually had a lot of customers coming from these small towns, and they were getting on the platforms to talk to a doctor. And of course today we have grown significantly from there. We help customers in the big city because there is need for accessing the healthcare with on a digital platform because of COVID, and if you're in a small town, access is a big problem. So both of this is now helping us to continuously help a lot more people across the country. And it's important to ensure that our solutions are actually easy to adopt across the country. So when we talk to a lot of customers in smaller town in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities, what we understood is they would like to speak to a doctor in their local language. So since then, we have actually ensured that our app is very easy to use. So we call it UI and UX. It's very, very easy as you would use WhatsApp or other social media platforms, because the usage has to be so simple that they can know how to talk to a doctor, pay medicines, buy medicines, or buy labs in the process. That's so one, the UI and UX has to be very, very easy. The second is also to ensure that all of this is available in multiple Indian languages. So you can now talk to a doctor in Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Marathi. So what happens is all of these patients find it very comfortable to talk to all of them through the platform. And in order to ensure that it also helps in affordability, we have a product called MediBuddy Gold, which means if you buy the subscription program, you can talk to a doctor not just for yourself, but your full family members. So around your dad, your mom, let's say if you're married, your wife, kids, all of them can actually use MediBuddy Gold and interact with a specialist doctor for one whole year. So it becomes not just a solution one for yourself, but it's a full family product. And if you're across the country in a small town, you don't know when you would need a doctor for yourself or for your wife or your kids or your family member. So if you buy MediBuddy Gold, it becomes very easy. So these are the multiple things that we have done to ensure that access to good healthcare becomes very, very easy through the platform. When we look at what MediBuddy should do, we always think about how many patients are we able to touch, how many patients are we able to support and help on a daily basis. Today we help around 35,000 plus patients on a daily basis, and our next immediate plan is to ensure that we help 1 lakh patients every day, and that is what we are all working towards. And how we see the transformation will happen in the next couple of years is what we call as the phygital approach, which means a lot of your healthcare services and solutions can be accessed as well as delivered online. So I would argue that mostly like 80% of your talking to a doctor, getting medicine, getting labs, getting right home care at home care services, using digital medical devices to track your health, all of that would happen online or through the digital platform. Around 20% of the times you will have to go to the hospital, get a physical examination, sometimes even get a procedure done. And after the surgery or the procedure is done, the follow-up consultations, the follow-up recovery can all happen at home through digital platforms, or also through what we call as home healthcare services, where a nurse can come to your house, where a paramedic can come to your house, a physiotherapist can come to your house and help in recovery. So a transformation in the way it's a hybrid approach, a phygital approach where majority will happen online, some of them will happen offline, and this will ensure that accessibility increases and affordability also comes in, and we are also able to provide the best quality healthcare at the right price for a country like India.